This is part 2 of the review. We are going to be using this diagram on the right. Name a line that is on plane M. Let's take a look at where plane M is. That is this plane here. Line XN doesn't even exist. Line ZX, that looks like it. So that looks good so far. Let's check the other ones. YP is going up. That makes no sense. This is not even a line. Line H is going up. So that is correct as B. Name a point collinear. Collinear means same line. That is on line G. So name a collinear point on line G. Point X, that is correct. That looks good. Point P, nope, that is going up. Point N, nope, that's on the same plane though. M is the plane, N is not even a point. So the answer would be point X. Which ray is not on the diagram? Okay, what is not on the diagram? XN is actually not on the diagram. We don't even see that. XZ, that looks like it's going this direction. XZ, so that is on it. YZ also goes that way. YP goes up and PY goes down. So ray XY. What is the intersection between plane M and line H? Plane M is that horizontal plane. The line H is going up. It does intersect at that point here. And that point is Y. It is denoted in green right here. That is its intersection.